It's your boy Jimmy. Jimmy.
Now what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil, doesn't make up.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning I wanna turn on this Becky quick. While the average man looking at this sad like she fine as it. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like 5'6". I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want a stop pick. I know that booty got dry, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's from pushing hot strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater, Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounce. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thumb, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the fun, open up some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up watching them can big profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and stop. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETLs, make profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up watching them can big profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call it short squeeze. You get the drop, she pull the trigger and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that, but in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. And I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up watching them can big profits. While I'm still in my sand, big profits. They used to watch me move them packs and stop. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? Big profits. Hey, Shug, Mike, what we doing? Big profits. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? Big profits. That TTG money gang, big profits. We some snipers.
Hey, yo. What's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. Everyone, my name is Michael Edward Parinati. I go by Michael Edward. I am the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group. If you guys didn't know, last year we were actually one of the finalists for Best Data Analysis Tool at the 2023 Benzinga FinTech Awards. We are also the fastest growing and highest rated premium online educational platform that combines university level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools, live workshops, and individual mentorship and coaching for stocks, options, crypto, futures. We cover day trading, swing trading, and also even long-term investing. There's something for everybody in True Trading Group. But you see, we take that university level of curriculum and we combine it with today's top financial tools. Tools that give you an edge. We spend years building relationships with some of the top companies in the industry to put their tools and their resources on our platform at no additional cost to you. If you went to these companies directly and paid for them, it's going to cost you around $5,000 or $6,000 a year. It's a lot of money, I know, but that's why most retail traders don't use them, even though they give you an edge. I think you need these things, and they give you the very best chance of becoming successful. These include Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed, congressional trading data, insider trading, a simulator to let you practice with fake money, TradingView's charting software, the Trade Ideas scanner streams on our platform, the unusual options activity, options flow, dark pool data, and honestly, so much more I can get into later. Yes, when you join us, you're going to get our courses. Yes, you're going to get all of our trade alerts, but you're also going to get all of these tools. We set you up with everything that you need to have the very best chance of becoming successful for one affordable price for the entire year. You also get access to our members, the most educated, helpful, supportive, and successful community of traders that you were ever going to find, not to mention all of the real-time trade alerts, from the moderators and myself that have been able to maintain a cumulative win rate of just around 80% on all of our executions now going on the last 4 years. And if you are wondering who the hell I am and why I should listen to anything that I talk about on these live streams, it's because I didn't figure this out watching YouTube videos or sitting in Discords. I began my trading career working at T3 Alpha Fund, my first job in New York City, right out of college. They did not let me touch $1 of the fund's money until I went through their training program. Then 2008 happened, and that was the Great Recession and the stock market crash, but also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now, fast forward, I'm the co-founder and the head trader of True Trading Group. And along with my team of 9 professional trading mods and an over 30-person staff, we've helped thousands of members from all over the world to reach their goals. We actually have members in 115 different countries, truly a global community here at True Trading Group. So if you guys are ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you've all come to the right place. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live right here where myself and other mods, as well as special guests, will drop golden nuggets to give you free lessons of education, trade ideas, and commentary that can help you guys all become better traders. So if you've not yet done so, smash that like button, show some love, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, make sure you guys never miss out on any of these live streams. We have an amazing live stream in store for you guys here tonight. I have to sneeze. I feel like every time I go live, I feel like I got to sneeze. Before I get started about why tonight is going to be so incredible, I first want to thank our partners over at Benzinga. Now, for those of you that don't know, Benzinga offers their own educational products and tools, yet they still fully endorse the True Trading Group platform for the massive added value that it provides for their members and community. We are very grateful to Benzinga for the opportunity to further educate their community, as well as offer the Benzinga Pro newsfeed, which is worth over $1,000 a year on its own. If you guys were to go to Benzinga, you guys get that included as a member of True Trading Group. So if you are here from Benzinga's community, welcome. Yes, you guys are in the right place. Now, I have an incredible live stream in store for you guys here tonight. Why? Well, first, let me see. Guys, and I have to welcome our friends at the Stockmaster app as well. Our friends at the Stockmaster app, welcome. We got a little warning here that you all need to see right now. So tap here and press play for all of our friends that are tuning in and joining us from the Stockmaster app. You guys are all in the right place. Now, first, let me see. Members of True Trading Group, it's a big stream for you guys. Do me a favor, type the number 1 if you are a member of True Trading Group. If you are a member, type the number 1 inside chat right now. If you are a member, type the number 1. We should have a ton of members on here tonight because tonight is our big holiday giveaway. After some delay, we're going to be giving out tonight 2 very big prizes, 2 huge giveaways. Now, first of all, if you are an annual member of True Trading Group, you're getting a shot at $5,000 cash tonight, right here on this live stream. If you are a fully paid lifetime member of True Trading Group, you are getting a shot at your choice, $10,000 cash or a Ducati motorcycle. Yes, for the lifetime members, you can choose $10,000 How about now? Can you guys hear me good? How about now? So where did you all lose me? Where'd you guys lose me? Wow, you guys lost me when I said type the number 1. All right. All right. So then I'll keep going from after when I asked you guys about typing the number 1 because so you guys heard about the giveaway. You heard about the motorcycle. Okay, perfect. So you guys all heard about the motorcycle. You guys all heard about $10,000. So the thing that I said after that was that you guys do not worry if you did not receive a confirmation email. The confirmation email was not sent out for your entries, but the team went through everything, triple checked. We have everyone's name and the amount of entries that you are supposed to have. Okay. So that is what I want to make sure that you guys are all well aware that we did not send out that confirmation email. So if you did not receive a confirmation email, don't worry about it. Yeah, guys, it looks like when all of you typed the number 1, it looked like you guys kind of, it looks like that crashed the app. So before we do anything, guys, if you can please smash the like button, make sure you click the share arrow. The more you share, the more it helps us. So please make sure that you guys smash that like button and click the share arrow. Share this stream. All right, click the like button and share this stream. All right, before we get things started here. All right, so we got a lot of stuff to cover. All right, also make sure that you are live. Okay, make sure you are live watching this video. So make sure that you guys click that live button. That live button is right there at the bottom left. Make sure you click live so that you can, you are up to speed with the live stream because we are doing the giveaway later today on this live stream. If you see a red dot, that means that you are live. Okay. If you do not see a red dot, that means that you are behind by a few minutes, and that is going to matter if your name is called when we do the giveaway. So make sure that you have that red dot is on. Make sure you click live so you are fully up to speed with the live stream. Now, we got a lot of stuff to cover on this live stream today before we get into the giveaway. So if you're here, remain patient, get something to write with, get ready to take some notes because this is going to be a banner week. Now, why do I say it's going to be a banner week? How could I possibly know that it's going to be a banner week? Listen, I'm not a Monday morning quarterback. And for those of you like my business partner who may not know or understand that reference, that means I do not say things after they have already happened. I call things out that I believe will happen in advance. I put my name, my reputation, my neck on the line because I have the experience and the education to feel confident in what it is that I am saying. Now, does that mean that I am right 100% of the time? Absolutely not. Nobody is. But I'm right a hell of a lot more than I am wrong, so you better believe that. Now, why do I think this is going to be a banner week? To be honest, it doesn't take 17 years of experience to know why this is going to be a banner week. We have a huge catalyst coming out this week, and that is the new CPI inflation data. That number is going to move the market. All the rumors, the hearsay from social media and the news articles that have come out prior are going to move the markets this week also. Now, up, down, sideways, doesn't matter. This means it's going to be volatile. The volatility is going to equal opportunity for us when you have catalysts like this coming out. And we've taken advantage of this volatility, guys. This volatile market's been around here for the last several years, and we've been taking advantage of this. We actually have had already 7 triple-digit gains inside of True Trading Group in the month of January, and there's only been 4 trading days so far. Do you realize that? There's only been 4 trading days, yet we have alerted would have become 7 triple-digit gains inside of the True Trading Group community. That's more than 1 triple-digit gain a day. That's trade to the upside, to the downside, because the volatility is here and there is action every single day in this market. In fact, in the last about 3.5 months, we've actually had now 82 triple-digit gains in the last 3.5 months. 20 in October, 28 in November, another 27 in December, and now here we sit with 7 in the month of January. And most of those gains, most of those trades were actually swing trades. We had day trades in there as well, but most of them honestly were swing trades. Now, why do I stress that they were swing trades? Because let me make it very simple. A lot of people during COVID, 2020, 2021, they got involved in the market. And then in 2022, 2023, they went back to their lives. Some of them with their tail between their legs. They went back to their lives and their jobs, and they decided that they can't do two things at once. They decided that they can't walk and chew gum at the same time. Now, during COVID, they had a lot of time to just sit there at home with nothing to do and focus on day trading because they were in front of their computer all day. People needed something to do. They had extra money. So day trading was the cool thing to be doing back during COVID. Millions of people flocked to the market, and with great reason, because the market's a great equalizer. But what these people didn't realize is that day trading is only one style of trading. Believe it or not, there are people that exist that wholeheartedly believe that because they have a full-time job, that because they get a steady paycheck and they've got daily responsibilities from 8 to 4 or from 9 to 5, that they fully and truly believe the stock market is something that's just not for them. Man, what a sad and ignorant existence that would be. Now, I'm not sure where people got that idea from. I'm really not. But what a massive disservice that you are doing to yourself if you think that. Day trading is a style of trading, but so is swing trading. So is long-term investing. Swing trading simply means you're going to buy something today, you're going to exit it tomorrow or any day thereafter. And if you're one of those people that just says, oh, well, you know what? I got my 401k. Eventually, everything goes back up. And yes, that is true. But how much money are you leaving on the table by ignoring the opportunity that existed these last several years and the opportunity that exists in this market right now here today as we speak? The amount of money that people with full-time jobs have made, not just during COVID, but long after COVID's been gone is a thing of the past. The amount of money that people have made has been absolutely incredible. Members of True Trading Group trade styles that work for them and that work for their schedule. You have members of True Trading Group that are making money day trading, but also swing trading. If you can't be in front of your computer at all, if you can't even have a cell phone on you at work, then no, you're not going to be able to day trade. That's not realistic to think that you can, but you can swing trade. You can take better care of your long-term portfolio. The stock market is for you. There are trading styles and strategies for you if you have a busy job. You don't have to be bound by your day job or the cap that you currently have on yourself financially. Over 82% of our members, and there's over 10,000 of them in 115 different countries across all time zones, they have a full-time job. They work over 40 hours a week. They have a busy schedule, but they're making money and they're becoming better traders. And I will show this to you. And it's not just because I say it to be true, because I could be totally full of crap. You don't know. It's not because I say so. It's because they say so. Watch. Members of True Trading Group, if you are making money and you are becoming better traders because of TTG, go ahead and type the number 1 inside chat right now. Just go ahead, type the number 1 if you're making money and you're becoming a better trader. It's a very straightforward question. Making money? Great. Type the number 1. Now, the people that are on here that are not members of True Trading Group, I want you to pay attention to how many people you see right there. These are your friends, your coworkers, your family members. If they can do it, then so can you. These are all people that are members of, these are real people. These aren't bots, guys. These are real people that are making money and becoming better traders. Now, if they can do it, so can you. You all hear the statistics, right? Like 92% of traders, whatever it is, fail, right? And yeah, that stat may be true, but you have to ask yourself, under what circumstances is that taking place? Because I can tell you 95% of True Trading Group members are not failing. So is TTG in a vacuum? Are we somehow exempt from trader pitfalls? Of course not. We're not exempt from that stuff. 90%, 92%, 95, whatever it is, whatever the number is, they fail because I'll tell you why. Because it's become so damn incredibly easy to open up a trading account on your phone, put in some amount of money that you really can't afford to lose, follow some crap that you read on Reddit or some furu that you saw on social media, and then get your ass absolutely handed to you. Then all of a sudden that equates to stock market's a scam. That's why so many people fail. Not because the market's a scam, not because the market's not for them. It's because they just go about it the complete, total wrong way. I promise you that if every single trader had access to real education, a proper community, and real tools, I promise you that that number of traders that fail would be substantially less. But that's not the case. You can just go ask Mambo Jam's Kitty Cat on Reddit, right? They'll tell you, oh, I can get everything that you learned from us, from True Trading Group, everything you learned in True Trading Group, it's all available on YouTube. It's all available on Google, right? So then why are you still losing if that's the case? Why are you on this live stream still then here tonight? If you can get all of these things for free on YouTube or on a simple Google search, then why are you still not profitable? I'll give you an example. Now, I'm not a lawyer, right? But if I wanted to become a lawyer, why couldn't I just go read every single law for the state of New Jersey? Why can't I just go read a list of every law that exists in New Jersey, become an expert and memorize that, and then go ahead and take the bar? Why do I have to go to law school? I can go online right now and read the laws in New Jersey. I don't need to pay for some fancy education. I could just read the laws myself. Let's go read the laws. What do I got to go to law school for? What do I need an experienced law professor or an experienced lawyer to teach me how to actually implement this? Look, there it is, right there. There it is. There's all the laws of New Jersey. Why can't I just do that? That's not enough for me to be, you mean if I did that, you wouldn't pay me $1,000 an hour to be your attorney? You wouldn't send me a $50,000 retainer to handle your case? Why? Now, as ridiculous as I just sounded, and I sounded pretty ridiculous, right? I sounded pretty ridiculous, fair to say. That's how silly other people sound when they say the same thing about trading. And it's those exact same people that treat this like a casino. This is not a casino. I do not gamble for a living. This is the great financial equalizer that has the power to literally help transform your lives, give you financial independence and security. TTG members, let me ask you guys another serious question here. And you can answer this yes or no, right? Has True Trading Group helped change your life for the better? Yes or no? And then if it's yes, tell me how. Explain how. Has True Trading Group improved your life for the better? Has it had a positive impact on your life? If the answer is yes, I would like for you to tell me how. How has it had a positive impact on your life? Go ahead. You tell me. There's a reason why you see so many people. I'm not going to read all these comments, but you guys can see this. Look at this. I doubled my income in the past year. Look at that. I doubled my income in the past year. Think about all of you that are out there, what it would mean to you if you never mind just doubled your income. What if you increase your income by 25%, 50%? Would that change your life a little bit? If you make 100 grand a year now at your job, and maybe now you start making 150, or you were making 70 grand a year and now you start making 100, What would that do for you and for your family? These people didn't come in here, most of them, with some crazy amount of money in their accounts to get started. You don't need a ton of money to get started, guys. In fact, most people actually historically that started with small accounts with True Trading Group, I mean like $1,000 or less, those people statistically have seen the most long-term and the most significant success. You guys paid for a trip to Florida when my sister was dying of cancer. I'm so glad I spent that time with her. Wow, I actually remember that. Monk, I remember that. I know exactly who you are. I remember that. Wow. I hope that you are doing well. I remember that. Yes, 100%. I'm closer to my retirement by 10 years. That's insane. Imagine speeding up your retirement by 10 years. Think about that. Now that's something you can't put a price on. You just gained 10 years of your life. You just gained 10 years of your life. You sped up your retirement by 10 years. That's insane. Team Meister increased their 401k by 100 grand. Extra income for now, but on my way to full-time trader one day, says Eileen. Glenn Wilson's up 28% this year already on all his investments. These are just some of the things. Got to take my kids and their cousins to Universal Studios. Look at that. So grateful that we made that vacation happen. This is what True Trading Group is all about. And there's a lot of people, guys. There's a lot of people that started True Trading Group with full-time jobs. They've become full-time traders now. Watch this, guys. Do me a favor. Now type the number 1 if you started with a full-time job and now you guys are full-time traders thanks to True Trading Group. Again, just type the number 1. Now, obviously, you're going to see less people type the number 1 than when I said if you're making money, type the number 1. But these are people now, if you had a job and you've made the transition to a full-time trader thanks to True Trading Group, guys, go ahead right now and type the number 1. Now, pay attention to how many people that you're going to see tell you that they made the transition to full-time trader. That's everybody's goal, right? Isn't that everybody's goal? Look at how many people have successfully made that transition. It's possible, guys. It's possible. This is what's real. You can do everything with a job to make money on this platform. Absolutely. This platform was built for people with full-time jobs. It was built for them. We have a mobile app for iPhone and Android, which allows you to stay connected to our platform the whole entire day and get real-time push notifications when our moderators enter and exit positions. That's how so many of our members, again, or over 82% of them have full-time jobs. They work over 40 hours a week. The rest of them are full-time traders or they're retired. So if they can do it, then so can you. Now, most of these people did not start with a ton of money. Now, listen, in fact, I don't know what you're doing, right? But listen, I'm not a financial advisor. I can't tell you what to do with your money. But my personal opinion is not to start with a large amount of money. It's not needed. You can even use our simulator. Practice. Become good trading with fake money first because you're going to make mistakes, right? If you're going to make mistakes, you're going to mess up, you're going to lose money, you're going to blow up your account, whatever it is. If you're going to make mistakes on the simulator. Make mistakes with fake money first. Learn from those mistakes. There's no need for you to start right out of the gate trading with hundreds or tens of thousands of dollars. It's not necessary. Guys, there's no such thing as get rich quick. I'm never going to tell you what you want to hear. I will only tell you what I think you need to hear, and that'll always be the truth. We are fully transparent. We are an open book at True Trading Group, and love me or hate me for it, I will always tell you what I think you need to hear, not what you want to hear. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that just because I worked on Wall Street and I was trained at a hedge fund that I have some special super top secret indicator that nobody else in the world knows about, and I'm going to show it to you, and you're going to have a 99% win rate. I'm not going to tell you that. I know that's what some people may want to hear, but I'm not going to tell you that because it doesn't exist. I'm not going to ask you to go out and go find me a unicorn that's being ridden by a leprechaun. Go find me that. And you're going to spend your whole life searching for something that does not exist. Meanwhile, I could just ask you, go find me a golden retriever, and you could be really, really happy with a beautiful golden retriever. We don't need a unicorn being ridden by a leprechaun. Okay? Stop searching for things that don't exist. There is no get rich quick scheme. There is only get wealthy smart here at True Trading Group. Now, guys, listen, there's a lot to go over. This is going to be a banner week. We've been on an absolute tear, 82 triple-digit gains in the last 3.5 months. You see, the benefit of a group like True Trading Group is that we trade everything: stocks, options, crypto, futures. We do it all. We just don't trade Forex. We day trade. We swing trade. We call out long-term portfolios, investments. We do it all. So when the market's moving up, we can take advantage. When the market's moving down, we can take advantage. When the markets are choppy, we can take advantage. There's something for everyone. We have 9 professional traders that are with you each and every single day that focus on different styles, and that ensures that there is always ample opportunity for members to do well. Now listen, this is going to be a banner week. I keep saying it. That doesn't make it any less true. We got CPI data. We're going to have volatility. There's many different strategies and many things that we want to pay attention to, and you're going to want to hear what I have to say about it. Why? Like I said, we've had 82 triple-digit gains in the last 3.5 months. The mods and I are currently sporting a cumulative win rate of around 80% on all of our executions for roughly the last 4 years. We've been on a hell. We're right a hell of a lot more than we are wrong, plain and simple. So we're going to get into it. But what I need to do now is I want you guys to go and get something to write with, whether it's on your phone or if it's a piece of paper. Just get something that you can take notes with, because this stuff will matter. This stuff is going to help you guys make money. But right now, what I'm going to do while you're getting that done is I'm going to give you all a chance at something that unfortunately most people never get. Because most people, 95 or 92% of people, hear about the market through a friend or something. They set up an account on their phone, they take a big loss, whatever it is, and they quit and say the market's a scam. I'm going to do you guys a favor. You see, we're moving the price up of our membership at True Trading Group here. The normal price is $2,212. We're moving that up to $1,500 tonight at midnight, or the next 30 people. Whichever happens first. Now, we were supposed to do this last week. However, we really wanted to coincide this with our holiday giveaway, and our holiday giveaway got delayed. And we really wanted to coincide that price increase with the holiday giveaway. So we are going to be doing it tonight. All right, so that's what we're going to do. That means that tonight will be your very last chance to get a 61% discount on an annual membership to True Trading Group. The 61% discount drops the price from $2,212 all the way down to just $850 for the entire year. While other people are getting something to write with, I want you to go to ttgoffer.com right now. That is ttgoffer.com right now. Every single thing that you see on that page is included for the $850 membership fee. Every single item is included. There is no upsell, additional costs, or hidden fee for anything you see on that page. This 61% discount is good for the next 30 people or midnight tonight, whichever happens first. Go to ttgoffer.com. You must use this coupon code. The coupon code is TTG121. Again, TTG121. You must manually type that code in. You click apply code. The price will drop to $850. Check out, and you are good to go. Everything on that page is included. There is no monthly membership to True Trading Group. It is $850. That's it. One payment for the entire year. Everything on that page is included. You're going to get all of our courses, a simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned working at the fund in New York, beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, you name it, we've got it. Guys, this is $2.33 a day. You all spend more than that for coffee. This is $71 a month, $70.83 to be exact. You spend more than that on coffee every single month. So you're going to get the courses. You're going to get Benzinga Pro's newsfeed, congressional trading data. Just those two things alone. You go to Benzinga directly, it'll cost you over $1,000 a year. When you join True Trading Group, you get that included with everything else for just $850. You get TradingView's premium charting software. Go to TradingView directly. It's about $600 a year. You get it included when you join us for $850. You get the Trade Ideas scanner, streams on our platform for you guys to be focused on the hottest stocks during the day. You get a simulator to let you practice trading with fake money, unusual options activity, options flow, dark pool data, short data, analyst ratings, all of our AI trading assistants. We have AI trading tools. Actually, let you click a button and the AI will plot the chart for you, support, resistance, give you a breakdown on what the recent news sentiment is, give you conservative versus aggressive trading styles, entry and exit points. All this is included. A trading journal to track your trades, a social sentiment scanner to tell you what's being talked about most on social media. All of this is included for just the $850. There is no upsell for anything on that page. Go to ttgoffer.com. Use the coupon code TTG121, click apply code, price drops $850. How do you know you're one of the 30 people? It's very simple. When you enter the coupon code, does the price drop to $850? If it does, then yes, you're one of those 30 people. If it only drops to $1,500, then that means 30 people have already joined or it's already past midnight. All you need to do is use that coupon code. Type in the code. If it says $850, you're getting it for $850. Check out, done deal. Now, anyone that's still a little skeptical, if you're a little on the fence, I'll erase the last shred of doubt that you have. I know I talk a big game on this live stream. I do. I know it. I understand. I get it. But I back it up with my own money. Now, when you join True Trading Group, we believe so strongly in the platform that we have created, its ability to help you reach your goals, that anyone that joins True Trading Group here this evening will get themselves a double your money back guarantee. The way that it works is as follows. And the double your money back guarantee is right there on the checkout page. It's right there in black and white. Go read it. It's real. It's right there. Go read it. This is the way it works. You join TTG tonight, you'll pay $850. Go through our courses, pass our quizzes, and attend one study group. Now, if you can do those things, and you don't have to do this all within like 30 days, right? You have the whole year. So go at your own pace, take your time, do those things. If you are unable to make enough winning trades to equal the $850 membership fee, you cannot do that at least one time during your membership, we will give you back double your money. We will give you back $1,700. I am dead serious. It is right there on the checkout page. Go read it. Now, we can offer you double your money back simply because our refund rate is so damn small. The refund rate at True Trading Group is less than 2.5%. We have a 78% retention rate. That means 78% of our members stay with us. Guys, do me a favor, members that have been with True Trading Group for longer than 1 year, or if you guys are a lifetime member, type the number 2. Type the number 2 if you are a lifetime member or you've been part of True Trading Group for longer than 1 year. Now, people that are on this live stream that are not members of True Trading Group, I want you, let's hypothetical. Let's go through a hypothetical. Let's say you join the True Trading Group tonight. Let's fast forward. It's January 7th, 2025. You've learned absolutely nothing. You've lost money. Are you going to renew your membership? No, of course not. Why would you? Great. Then why the hell did all of these people? The only way that you would renew your membership never mind go on to become a lifetime member of the platform, is if you felt that your time, energy, and money was well spent. If you were getting a positive return on your $850 investment, and investment is exactly what this is. It is an investment in yourself. Investing in yourself and betting on yourself is not an easy thing to do. You are worth it. You can do this. Your goals are closer than you think. Just ask all these people typing the number 2. If they can do it, then so can you. There's absolutely no reason why they can do this and you cannot. Now, all you need to do again is go to ttgoffer.com, enter the coupon code TTG121, click apply code. The price will drop to $850. Check out and let's do this. If you have any questions at all about the membership, about the platform, about anything, we are an open book. Text us. The phone number to text is right at the bottom of your screen. 1-888-306-8783. Again, the phone number is right down there at the bottom of the screen. If you have any questions at all, text us. 1-888-306-8783. Tonight is your very last night at the 61% discount. We're doing the giveaway today. After that, that's it. We're done. Price gets jacked up back to the $1,500. So $850 tonight for the next 30 people that join, or until midnight tonight, whichever one of those two things happens first. Yes, that is true. So Terry, my boy Terry, what's up? How are you, Terry? Hope you're well. Terry says, and I believe your $850 fee tonight becomes your annual renewal fee as well. Grab it. Yes, that's actually true. When you join True Trading Group, whatever the price is that you pay when you joined, you're locking yourself in at that price. So let's say next year comes time for your renewal. Our membership could be $2,500. It doesn't matter. You would only pay $850 to renew. So again, folks, ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate. Text us 1-888-306-8783. All right. Any questions, you guys just text us. Again, you have the double your money back guarantee. I don't think you need it, but it's there for peace of mind, and it's there for you guys to hold us accountable. Okay. Excellent. All right, folks. Let's head on over to the chats. The charts. Let's take it to the charts. Let's talk about how we're going to make some damn money this week. We got CPI data coming out. What are the expectations for CPI? This is why I don't understand why the market is pricing in rate cuts in March. I really think the market's going to be disappointed in March. I don't think the Fed's going to cut rates in March. We have to welcome Hayochi. Hayochi, I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. I hope so. If not, I apologize. Newest member of True Trading Group, 29 spots left. Hayochi, 29. I'm not pronouncing that correctly. I don't think I'm pronouncing that correctly. Oh, I did pronounce it correctly. Yes. There they go. Hayochi says, yes, I pronounced it correctly. I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. Okay. So Hayochi, welcome. Marcus, Cheryl. Wow. Okay. Hayochi, Marcus, Cheryl, Danielle, and Mohammed. How many is that, guys? I just lost count. So we got to welcome Hayochi, Marcus, Cheryl, Danielle, and Mohammed. That's 5. So now we're down to 25 of those spots for the 61% discount. Again, 61% discount. It's the last night for it. $850 the whole year. If you can't make enough trades to equal the $850 membership fee at least once, we'll give you back $1,700. It's our double your money back guarantee. It's real. Go read it. It's on the checkout page. You have any questions? Text us. 1-888-306-8783. 25 spots left, or midnight tonight, whichever happens first. Then the price gets jacked up to $1,500. And even that is a steal. Guys, just the tools that you get with us just those tools I mentioned to you earlier, like if you go, when you're on ttgoffer.com, all those tools that you get, just that is like $5,000 to $6,000. That's how much they're worth. We got to welcome Gregory. Gregory's the newest member of the group. Gassan, newest member of the group. Nihal Kumar. Let's see, 24, 22 spots left. 22 spots left now, guys. Gregory, Gassan, and Nihal Kumar. Yes, Don Baker, this is for new members, correct? Yes, new members, ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. If you used to be a member and you want to come back home, just send us a text message, 1-888-306-8783. We have to welcome Bill. This is nuts, guys. Hurry up. These spots are flying. Bill, Sirkan, Krista, Owen, welcome to the True Trading Group community. Oh, no way. Okay, so Heather, Owen is Heather's son. That is incredible. So Heather is a lifetime member of True Trading Group, and her son Owen just joined. A family that trades together, stays together. I love it. I love it. Heather, I love it. Owen, welcome to the family, brother. I'm glad to have you part of the team. So that's Heather's son, Owen. That's incredible. That's awesome. That is awesome. What is that, guys? I lost count. What are we down to? 18? 18 spots left, guys. We had 30. We're down to 18. Do not waste another moment. Go to ttgoffer.com. Use the coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. The price drops to $850. Everything on that page you get included when you join. W running back guarantee. It's there. You have any questions? Cool. Text us. 18 spots left. Is it 18? Joe, are you sure it's 18? No. Okay, we were at 22 and then 5. Okay, yeah, 18. Okay, 18 spots left. Yep, 18 spots left. You are correct, Joe. Thank you very much. 18 spots left. Excellent. All right, let's take it back on over to the chart. So let me go through with you guys, right? Let me go through you guys the CPI expectations, okay? CPI data comes out on Thursday. Now, the expectations for us, oh, wait. All right, let me get the expectations for you guys for headline CPI and core CPI. Here we go. All right. Headline CPI is actually expected to go up. This is why I don't understand why the markets are pricing in rate cuts as early as March. Inflation is not where we want it to be. Okay. Inflation last month when CPI went up 0.1% month over month. This month is expected to go up 0.2%. But that's not even the best part. The year over year CPI number is expected to be 3.2%. You want to know what the year over year number was last month? 3.1. Why are you expecting rate cuts in March, but yet you expect inflation to go up? Here's the good news. They actually expect core inflation to go down. Core inflation, now what's the difference between core and regular headline inflation? Core subtracts food and energy prices. It takes out food and energy prices. So when you take out food and energy prices, core is expected to go up 0.2% month over month. That's versus the previous number of 0.3% month over month. And the core CPI year over year number is expected to be 3.8%. And last month it was 4.0%. Still high. These numbers are still high. That's why I don't think you're going to get a rate cut in March. As long as the economy still hangs in there, which we have up to this point, unless there is a dramatic deterioration in the economy in the next 2 months, I don't think you get a rate cut in March. And I think the market's going to be disappointed when that happens. We got to welcome John. John's the newest member to the group, guys. We're now down to just 17 of those spots. 17 of those spots remain, or midnight tonight, whichever happens first. That's for the $850 membership fee. That's the next, what did I just say? 17 spots. The next 17 spots. Okay. Now, if you guys have been following my live stream for a little while, then you know that I kind of went over this little scenario to start the year. We got to welcome Jeremy. Jeremy, welcome. 16 spots now. Jeremy, welcome to the family. 16 spots now. These spots are flying, guys. I would hurry up and grab one. Jeremy, welcome to the family. 16 spots left. Now, I went over this little scenario with you guys over the last couple of days.
Oh, did we just go through almost 15 spots in 5 minutes?
Yes, literally. We went through, 14 spots now in a few minutes. They're flying tonight.
Man, I told everyone they get a free toaster. Do you think that's why?
A free toaster?
Yeah, we got to welcome Christy.
Christy, welcome to the family. 15 spots now remain.
Jesus.
Wow. Christy, welcome to the family.
Jeremy was a member that's coming back.
Oh, nice. And Jeremy, welcome back home. So Jeremy was a member, came back home.
All
Welcome
right,
back
real
home, Jeremy.
quick, Mike. I got to put
Yeah.
a minute to bed, so let's do the giveaway real quick.
Okay, you want to do the giveaway now?
Yeah, let's do it right now. What do you guys
All
think?
right.
You guys want to do the giveaway real quick?
Oh, of course they do. Of course they do. All right, who's up first? Annual members up first?
Yeah.
All right, so guys, so here's the deal. We're doing 2 giveaways. One is for annual members. You're going to win $5,000. The other one is for fully paid lifetime members. You're going to have a choice, $10,000 or a Ducati motorcycle. A Ducati motorcycle or $10,000 if you're a fully paid lifetime member. If you're an annual member, you get $5,000.
All right. So let's do the first one. The first one is going to be for annual members. And got to do this quick because I got to put Minna to sleep. The way that we're going to do this is as follows.
I hope Buck Row Cottages does not win.
Huh?
I said, I hope Buck Row Cottages does not win.
Who is that?
I don't know. Somebody goes, you've been on since 8:30. That's almost an hour, not 5 minutes.
Oh, that's fine because here's the rules, right? So at True Trading Group, even if you do win, if we find out that you are been a troublesome member, or somebody that is unsubscribed from any of the lists or not an active annual member, we'll just go to the next person.
Yeah. So Buck Row Cottages, like whoever you are,
You're done.
If you are a member, you just disqualified yourself from the giveaway. So listen, we're giving away free money. So we're going to get to dictate if we feel you deserve that, that free money. So yeah, F around and find out, says my boy Ryan. I hope you're well, brother. Hope the family is well.
Yep.
So, all right, Adam, let's go ahead. Let's do this.
Absolutely.
Let's do it. Annual members up first.
Yep. And also the way that this worked is that we have additional things that you can purchase inside of True Trading Group, right? And what we did is for every additional item that somebody purchased in 2023, we gave you extra entries in the giveaway.
Right.
So that it would increase your chance. All right.
Yep.
So real quick.
Go ahead. I'm sorry.
Yeah. So what's going to happen is we're going to spin the wheel. We're then going to ask you a very specific question about maybe something that Mike is wearing to prove that you're on the live. But you're going to have 3 minutes to answer the phone. I'm going to call you and you're going to have to talk on the live stream. You're going to let people know that we're not related.
You don't have to show yourself. You don't have to show yourself.
You don't have to show yourself at all.
But you just have to answer the phone so that people can hear that you are a real person. Okay.
All right. So let me just make sure that I have the list up, because once the name is called, I got to verify everything.
So while you're doing that, I got a question, Adam, I'll hit on. Javi says, did the entries include courses that you went through? No, it doesn't include the courses that you went through. But what we did was any additional item that you purchased into your training groups, like we have other things that are extra, like 2-day intensive boot camps, 9-week accelerator programs, in-person meetups. Like we have other things that you guys
all
can pay
for under $1,000, like super cheap stuff.
Yeah, they're all well within reason, well affordable. We actually just had a phenomenal trader rehab boot camp this weekend that was just absolutely incredible. So shout out to all my people that attended trader rehab with myself, Uni, Simmons, and Shai this weekend. That was awesome. So big shout out to you guys. But anytime that you purchase something extra at True Training Group, we gave you additional entries in the giveaway. So are showing, just our sign of appreciation for the people that, are just, diehard True Trading Group. You guys got extra entries into the giveaway to increase your chances of winning.
Yep. All right. Let's do the annual first. Where is it?
There's Owen. There's Owen. Owen, welcome to the family, brother.
What's up, brother?
Awesome. He says, hey, everyone, thank you for the warm welcome. I can't wait to get started. That's awesome. That is awesome. Heather, I already can tell. You got yourself one hell of a young man there.
All right, let's pull up the wheel of names. So out of all the annuals for the 5,000 person giveaway, we have a total of 8,160 entries from all annual members that registered. So obviously there are people's names that are in here multiple times,
right,
for all members. So let me go ahead and share my screen.
So you guys remember, if your name is called, Adam's going to call you.
Right.
You must answer the phone.
You're going to have 3 minutes.
Yeah. Adam's going to call you for 3 minutes. You must answer the phone. And then he's going to ask you a question that you're going to have to know. You're going to have to answer this question. It's not like a trick question. It's going to be very easy, but we just have to make sure that you're on this live stream. So good luck, everybody. This is annual members. This is annual members.
Let's get to it, because I got to jump off. Let's get to it.
Go for it. Go for it. Good luck, guys.
Good luck. Good luck. If you don't see your name right here, it's because I haven't scrolled down, but you're all on here, and I set it to random.
And the winner is
Barry Cynthia.
Barry Cynthia.
All right, give me a moment and let me just verify that this person is good to go, and then I will call.
Barry Cynthia. Barry Cynthia, congrats. This is going to be for the $5,000 giveaway for annual members. Adam is verifying Barry Cynthia right now. He is verifying right now. And then if we're good, Barry Cynthia, Adam's going to call you.
I think we're good.
Okay. All right. Barry Cynthia.
Hang on. Let me see.
I hope you are on this live stream. Adam's about to call you.
All right. I'm calling.
Because if not, if she doesn't answer, that means we spin the wheel again. Here we go.
Hello?
Hey, Adam.
Hey.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome. You got to answer one question first, though, okay?
Okay.
All right. What's the logo on the hat that Mike is wearing right now?
Oh, I'm shaking. Mine just went off.
Oh, no.
Oh, wow. You got to be kidding. Oh, here you go, Mike. I see you. Hold on. I'm shaking right now. I'm shaking. It's like a V. It's a great.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
You got it.
Yes, Barry, Cynthia, congratulations.
Adam, Mike.
Yes.
My birthday is January 9th.
Oh, that's
Oh,
awesome.
happy birthday.
Happy
That's
birthday.
awesome.
Yeah, I'm gonna be 50.
Nice.
Oh man, what a birthday. What a
That's
birthday.
weird, right? You're 50 and you just won 5,000. It's a lot of fives. Hey, minute, go out. No. I don't want
A lot of fives and a lot of zeros.
Yeah.
What's wrong? Oh my God. Wait, hello?
Yes.
Wait, hold on. I'm still shaking. Is this right?
Yes, it's real.
Oh, wait, Adam, you still there?
Yes. Please do not have a heart attack on this stream. They're going to put the video
Please.
down. You're okay.
Hold on, I'm still shaking.
It's there. Congratulations.
Okay,
She's
hold on.
good.
Yes, we are here.
Okay, calm now.
Okay.
Are you and I related?
No,
Okay. All right.
I'm black.
I am not. I'm Jewish. not black. But all right. No. I asked that because people, people sometimes think that like the people we do big giveaways to are like family members or like it's set up. You know?
No, this is real. Oh my God, this is my first time ever talking to Adam. Oh my God, I'm about to cry.
It is our pleasure.
Thank you so much.
You are very, very welcome. Absolutely. And what I'll do is tomorrow I'll get with you in the morning and we'll figure out whether we do PayPal, Venmo, wire transfer, whatever you want. We'll figure it out tomorrow morning.
Thank you so much. This means a lot to me.
No, it's our pleasure. Look, we're happy to do it. We're glad that you're here. People sometimes think that annual members get the short end of the stick or something, and obviously that's not the case. So we're very, very glad that you are here. So
I'm glad to be here. You guys have been a tremendous help.
that's awesome.
It was so many days I wanted to give up, but all of mine, awesome like Shy, Gio, and Yoni, they so encouraging. And the members, I'm not just saying this because I mean this from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
Wow.
You are more than welcome. And people like yourself that believe in this company and come in here and spend your hard-earned money to get in here and put forth the effort and participate. I mean, you make it all worth it for us. This is huge. So I'm honored to be a small part of the journey that you're on. So thank you.
Oh my gosh. Ooh.
Wow. This is awesome.
Oh my goodness.
Well, congratulations.
Okay, I'm trying to breathe and calm myself down.
You're all good. Also,
I can't believe in myself. I can't.
No, definitely. And
Wow.
the number that you just called, the number I called you on is my personal cell. So save this.
Really?
Yeah, of course.
Oh my God. Thank you.
Yeah. So save the number so we can coordinate tomorrow morning.
Okay.
And Adam, tell her to
Call
let.
you on.
No, I'll text you when I get into the office. I got to deal with the kids in the morning, but we'll figure it out. I'm just saying, so save it so you know who it is.
Adam, tell her also. Tell Adam.
I'll just share something real quick.
Yeah, of course.
I believe in God. He's always on time. I want to thank God. I feel like one of the NFL players. Like I want to thank God. This is so serious because I just had surgery October 5th. I haven't gotten paid for my job because they're slow for processing disability paperwork. And I didn't know how I was going to pay my rent. Or my mortgage, I'm sorry. And then this happened. You guys are awesome. Thank you. I'm sorry I shared too much information, but that's why it's so emotional for me right now.
No, I'm Mike and I always hope that when somebody wins these things that we can give it to somebody who needs it. And honestly, it's such a blessing to be able to do that,
Yeah. Thank you so much.
No,
Thank
you're more than welcome. Yeah, so let them know, TTG is the best scam out there, You have an awesome night. I'm gonna let you run before my daughter busts out of the bathroom and whatever. All right, that's great, All right. I will reach out to you in the morning. Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you so much.
You're very, very welcome. Bye.
Bye-bye.
1 second, Mike.
Wow, guys. I just, and honestly, Barry, Cynthia, when you talk to Adam tomorrow, any questions you have, anything that you need help with, you talk to Adam, we'll link up, and we'll talk. All right. And we'll about trading, right? We'll go over your trading stuff and we'll see where we can make some improvements and everything there. We have to welcome Sean. Sean just joined True Trading Group. I have no idea how many spots we have left. I think it's 13, 14 spots now remain. 14 spots left, guys. 14 spots remain. So Sean, welcome to the family. And Barry, Cynthia, congratulations. Happy birthday. I could not have been any happier that such a wonderful person won. So congratulations again. $5,000. It is yours. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So Sean, welcome to the family. All right. Sean, welcome to the family. Barry, Cynthia almost made me cry there. I had to hold back. A tear. Right, it was right there. I felt it coming. I felt it. I had to hold that one back. But man, this is awesome. I can't tell you, Adam, how much I love what we do, bro.
I'm glad, man. Right now, I got to do something I'm not too happy about. But I got to do it. When you're married, you make compromises. When you're married, you make compromises, and I got to give away a Ducati.
Yeah, you do.
I got to give away a Ducati, and one of our lifetime members is going to win it.
Yeah.
We have a total of 11,238 entries.
Wow.
Into this giveaway.
So now, guys, this giveaway, fully paid lifetime members, again, to clarify, if you win, you have a choice. $10,000 cash or a beautiful Ducati motorcycle.
You want to show the motorcycle real quick?
Yeah, hell yeah. Show the motorcycle, man. Yes, of course. Yes. Show the motorcycle. Absolutely. You guys got to see this thing. It's beautiful.
So upset.
We will not deliver the bike to Australia. You must be in the United States.
No. If you're not in the United States and you win, I am just going to send you the money.
Right. So if you guys, if you're not in the United States, again, to clarify, if you're not in the United States, we can only give you the $10,000. You do not have a choice of the Ducati. You only have the choice of the Ducati if you are in the United States and your name is called. There it is. That's the bike. Look at that thing. Look at that back wheel. Woo! Sexy. I would take the bike. It's worth more than $10,000.
The bike is worth more than 10 grand. So if you take the bike, you can sell the bike and get more than 10.
Yeah, the bike is worth more than 10 grand. So I would take the bike, but Ed, listen, it's up to you guys.
All right.
All right. So again, if your name is called, Adam's going to call you. Same deal. You better pick up. Good luck.
How mad is your wife going to be if someone takes the money? If somebody takes the money, I am donating my bike to Ray Thompson. We're not doing another spin for it. None of that. If somebody takes the money, I am donating the bike to Ray Thompson.
Yeah, think of it this way, guys. If you take the bike, you're helping save Adam's marriage. You're doing a good deed.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Good luck, everybody.
I'm going to have to review the person that wins on here too. So as long as you're not muted in chat, as long as you're a fully paid lifetime member, as long as you don't have any crazy notes on your account, you're good. If any of those things are there, we're going to have to spin it again. I'm sorry.
Right. If you have repeatedly broken, like our policies or our chat room rules, if you have been a problem, we will spin this wheel again. So when your name is called, Adam will just verify the member. And if we're all clear, we will give that person a call.
Screw it. Let's go.
Let's do it. Good luck. Here we go. Oh! Oh! Who's going to win? Come on. Who's it going to be? The winner is James I don't know how to pronounce that.
Me neither.
James Bovace. James Bovace.
Forgive me. I'm not going to be happy for anybody that wins this tonight. I just want you to know.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
James It's definitely Bove. James Bove. The S is silent. James Bove. I don't know. Is the S silent? What do you guys think? You think this is silent?
Oh my God. He can't take the bike.
He's not in the U.S.?
Nope. He's in the U.S.
Oh.
Hang on. One second, I gotta verify all
Yep, Adam's gonna verify. Adam's gonna verify. I was right. Thank you, Nas. Nas goes, that's a French name. The S is silent.
Also, we gotta welcome David S. David S. just signed up while I'm doing this, but David paid full price. So, David, we have to send you a refund. We're gonna do that now. You have to enter the coupon code if you're signing up.
Yes, we will. Yes. Okay. So, would you say his name was Adam? David?
Yeah, David S.
David. Welcome. David, welcome. Welcome. David, welcome to the True Trading Group family. But like Adam just said, David, you did not use the coupon code. Don't worry. Tomorrow we'll refund you the difference so that you only pay the $8.50.
And welcome Chris as well.
And Chris, welcome to the family. Now we're down to 12 spots. 12 spots now remain, guys, for that 61% discount.
Hang on, I'm almost there, man. I'm sorry. I can't see whatever you're typing. Yeah, he's on the live.
Yes.
I know. I just need to check the account. That's all.
Yep, we're going to check the account. Nice. Chris says, I'm glad I have joined. It's been a long time coming. Listen, better late than never, Chris. I'm glad to have you part of the team, brother.
No, he's good.
Okay.
I think. Hang on, let me just check the notes, but everything looks clean on my end. He's good. Let me give him a call.
All right.
You're gonna like this call also. Watch this. Hello? Remember when I told you to sign up for a lifetime membership and I said it was definitely worth it and that we would definitely work with you to make sure that all the stuff for the charts and everything was accessible for you?
I love it.
Remember that? Do you remember that conversation?
I just 4x what I paid, so.
Anyways, the inside scoop here is that this gentleman on the phone, who I'm very happy won, is somebody who was apprehensive about. Do you mind if I tell the story or no?
You can go for it, baby.
This gentleman was apprehensive because he is his vision is very impaired, right? And he was concerned about being able to access the charts and being able to use the platform to the fullest. And I convinced him to join Lifetime, and I think it was a good decision.
Well, the best part about joining Lifetime is the fact that I've had so much help with all the mods. Now, I've had a setback last year, but they're helping me get my foot back to the right path. So that's the best thing about joining Lifetime is all the one-on-one mentorship that you get with joining Lifetime.
Are you and what are you gonna take?
Well, I mean, I wish I could take the bike because I used to like to ride, but I'm gonna have to take the money, brother, because that's just.
No, I get it.
Drive a motorcycle.
No, I totally get it. All good. All right. Very cool. So we will work that out this week. We'll get it squared away.
All right, and so you want me to do just the same as what you talked with the miss that just won?
Oh, you can say whatever you want. Yeah, I mean, but ultimately, you and I are not related, right?
No, sir. I am Catholic.
Fair enough.
Love it. God, I love TTG.
That's awesome, dude.
Awesome, man. It's so awesome. James, I'm happy for you, brother.
I'm happy for you, man. That's so cool. All right, brother. Well, look, you have an awesome night. This is I think you have my number anyways, but this is my personal cell. Just save it if you don't already have it, and I'll get with you tomorrow.
All right, buddy. I appreciate it. You put them kids to bed. Hope you have a good night.
I will.
Tomorrow in chat.
Thank you, brother.
All right.
Bye. Well, good news for Ray Thompson.
Ray Thompson just got himself a Ducati.
Hang on, let me give Ray a call real quick. Well, I'm happy for Ray. I'm happy for everyone.
Listen, James is a great guy, and obviously Barry Cynthia, phenomenal woman as well. That just I'm really happy that
So there we go, guys. Those are the winners. But you're all winners.
yeah.
Anyways, I gotta go put my kid to sleep.
Well, you go ahead, man. You go do that. I still got to go over a bunch of trade ideas.
Well, I'll tell you this. Oh my God.
What? What?
No, nothing. I just thought I saw something, but I did not.
All right. Well.
All right. Yeah. That's it.
That's great, man. I mean, listen, success. Big success. Big success.
I got to refund David.
Yes, we're going to refund. I told David already too. We'll refund David. I'll refund David, and then we got obviously we'll be reaching out to James and Barry Cynthia tomorrow, and we will get you guys all situated with the 5,000 and the 10,000. So congratulations again.
How many spots do we have left?
12.
That's so stupid. We got to welcome Jukta, Jukta.
Jukta, 11 spots left. Everybody, welcome Jukta. Congratulations, Jukta, newest member of the group. Guys, welcome Jukta. Welcome Jukta.
Do you think it's ironic that somebody that's visually impaired won a motorcycle?
Well, I mean, he didn't win a motorcycle. He chose the cash.
Yeah, but the motorcycle was the main thing, and then we just did the just in case. But yeah. Still think it's awesome. What the hell? I just joined, and my receipt is for $1,900. Says David.
Jesus, David. Here we go.
Gotcha.
David, brother. So I said to you before, you must not have heard me, but David, you didn't use the coupon code when you joined, but don't worry about it. We're going to refund you the difference tomorrow. You have to use.
No, I'm gonna do it right now.
Oh, David, we're gonna do it right now for you.
Yeah,
so
that
David,
way there's no.
Yes. So David, you didn't use the coupon code, brother. You have to manually type in TTG 121.
He probably put it in, but you have to click apply.
Right. You have to click apply.
No, can you show them how to do that? It's not enough to just put it in. You have to click apply code.
Right. So David, don't worry, brother. We're going to refund you the difference. We're not going to screw you over like that. I know you're on the live stream, so we will refund you the difference so that you only pay the $850.
Literally doing it right now.
We're doing it right now for you, David. But like I said, for anyone else, you have to enter the coupon code, and then you have to click apply code, and then the price will then say $850. If you don't click apply code, the price is not going to say $850. You'll just get the $1,900 price that the checkout page is currently on. You have to use that coupon code yourself. David, are you there?
All right. I just refunded David, so he's good to go.
Nice. All right. So David, you're all set, brother. So we just refunded you the difference.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, folks, let's go over trade ideas. All right. So we talked about.
All right. I'm going to go put minutes to sleep.
Yep. Good. Good stuff. Okay. So the, let's see, we left off at the CPI data. So this is what the CPI data, you're expecting headline number to go up, the core number to come down just a little bit. So I just don't think you're going to see a cut in March. I think it's more probably likely that you get a cut in May, but the market has priced in a 71% chance of a rate cut in March. That means it's being priced in and it's being expected. But if it doesn't happen, that leaves the market open and susceptible to a downward move. So that is what I am. Hold on one second. So it leaves the market susceptible to now a downsized move because the market has gotten exactly what it wanted all year in 2023. Okay. So in 2023, you had what the market would price in, the Fed gave. So the last time the Fed did something other than what the markets were expecting was 2022. And you saw obviously the craziness of 2022. But like in 2023, when it was like, okay, we think we're going to raise by, 50 basis points, raised by 50 basis points. We think we're going to raise by 25 basis points. We raised by 25 basis points. We think the Fed's going to pause. The Fed paused. Then the Fed's going to pause again. They pause again. Like the Fed gave the market exactly what it wanted. That would be the first time in quite a while that the Fed did something other than the market thought. That leaves the market open to downside. So this CPI number, this is why this number and the next month's number are going to be very, very important because they're the CPI prints leading into the Fed meeting. And if you do not get lighter than expected CPI, I can't imagine that you're going to go into that March meeting and the market still prices in a rate cut. So we'll have to see. That's why these CPI prints are going to be very important going forward. All right. Let's talk about what we think in the overall markets. Now, your CPI data is not until is not until Thursday. We're at a nice little support level here that I actually think the markets may try to bounce a little bit. And here's this support level. It's right around this like 467, 469. I mean, 467, 468. And it's literally, you can see support, 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 and support. So you see how we're just kind of sitting on that area right now. What I think you could have happen here is this, we may try to bounce off of here, but then eventually I do think that this level breaks. So we were actually spot on with the market price action last week to finish out. To finish out the week, we were telling people that we're looking for a bounce off of this 468 area back up into this trade line. The trade line is the 9 exponential moving average. It's this teal blue line you guys see on my screen that we would bounce back into it and it would become resistance. That's exactly what we got on Thursday and Friday. You can see the tail here and the tail here right into that 9 exponential moving average. You tailed right into that level. So I still do think that we're going to break this level, because I think the market is going to head down to 460. So this is actually my target for the market. It could happen this week if the CPI number is higher than expected. It's very possible this move could happen this week. And I actually think it could, with that catalyst, I think it could happen. But understand that I'm sitting here right now telling you that my target for the market is right here. But in order for it to happen this week, you can't have a lighter than expected CPI number. If you get a lighter than expected CPI number, I don't think you're going to get down to this price. But this is my target, okay? This is where I'm expecting the markets to go. That is a huge level of resistance that was here, and all the way here and here, 2022. And then there's the resistance from 2023. And I think we have to drop back into this level. So what I'm actually looking for is the market to fall into here. Once the market drops into here, so I'll play that short. But then when we get here, that's it. I'm looking long. Okay, so then once we get to there, that's it. I'm going to look long off that level. So we'll catch downside for probably like two days. And then we'll catch upside for probably 2 days off of that level. So that's how we're going to play that as we go through. Let's talk about some individual stocks that are on my list here this week. I got to tell you guys, Amgen is a stock that was mentioned in my 2023 market outlook report, which my 2024 outlook report, guys, is finished. I sent it to Adam on Friday, but I sent it to him late on Friday. He has not had a chance to load it up to send it out to everybody. So he is going to be sending you all my 2024 market outlook report. Members, you're going to get that tomorrow morning. Okay. I gave it to him Friday evening, but he has not had a chance to load it up yet. So I'll put it on the dashboard and he'll send it out via email to everybody tomorrow morning. Well, first thing when he gets to the office. Okay. And that's, you'll get my outlook, what I'm expecting, what my thoughts are, and how I'm planning on playing 2024. All right. Amgen. Amgen is a stock that just recently broke out to new all-time highs. And I don't think this stock is done. This is a breakout to new all-time highs. And what I'm going to look for on Amgen here, guys, is I think Amgen is going to continue. I think this thing has more upside. I am looking for any bit of a pullback back into underneath 300. Anything underneath 300, I like this for a long. And what I'm going to try to do, this trade line, 9 exponential moving average, just started acting as support, right? Just started acting as support. We just broke out to new all-time highs. Now this white line you see on my screen, that's the previous all-time high, okay? Any pullback back into that line, I'm looking for it to be support and looking for us to just continue this breakout move, okay? So this is Amgen. This is AMGN. All right. Again, this is a stock that I listed. I told you guys that I was buying in the long-term portfolio last year. Look at what this stock has done so far. And we just broke out to a new all-time high. I do not think this stock is done. I actually think that Amgen does well in 2024. And I think that you're going to see this stock somewhere up here as the year goes on. So I'm looking for Amgen to continue this breakout. This is on my list for this week. We're going to draw a line right across that previous all-time high. It lines up with that trade line. So we're going to look for any type of a pullback into that level. Then we are going to get long. And then we are going to, at that point, look for Amgen to continue that move to new all-time highs. So that's on the watch list there for this week. Another company that I'm looking at here is ISRG, Intuitive Surgical, another stock that I actually think has a pretty decent year in 2024. This is another stock that is in my long-term portfolio, but you go to a weekly chart, you can see you're kind of forming like this little bit of a wedge here. And what I'm just looking for are, if there's any pullbacks down into this in this wedge as the year goes on, I'm looking for it to hold, and I'm looking for ISRG to break out to new all-time highs and continue this rally after this big, deep pullback in 2022. And you pulled back right into a massive level of support. There's that previous resistance, massive level of support that ended up holding in 2022. Now you're running your way back up here, making lower highs and then making higher lows, forming a little bit of a wedge. And I'm looking for that to break out this year. But that's long term, right? Let's look at short term. As we look at short term, I come in here, I draw a line right across this level. I want to show you guys this, okay? I want to show you guys this area here. You can see resistance, resistance, resistance. Level got broken. We just dropped back into that level. I want to see now a bounce back like this, something that looks like that on ISRG. All right, we're going to look at that, something like that for ISRG. We have to welcome Richard, guys. Richard just joined. I believe we're down to 11 spots now. Richard just joined. Richard just joined, guys. Welcome, Richard. 11 spots left. Guys, remember, just go to ttgoffer.com, enter the coupon code TTG121. You must click apply code. The price then drops all the way down to $8.50. You have any questions, text us 1-888-306-8783. On the flip side of this, we'll stay with the longs. I like Meta. I like Meta to try to give you a little bit more. I feel like the stock, listen, I like Meta long, but I'm not oblivious to the fact that I feel like the stock is getting a little extended. But I do like how this previous resistance level held. It was actually one of our top long ideas on Friday. It had a really nice move on Friday. Some members made some really good money on this long, but I just want to try to stay long-minded. Just want to try to stay long-minded here on Meta, right? So if the market tries to bounce, or if the CPI number comes in light, this is definitely a name that's been strong, and we'll try to just stay long Meta. But the stock is getting extended. I'm not oblivious to that. So I don't want to give this too much room, right? Don't want to give it too much room, but we're going to keep that one on watch for the long. I also want to look at possibly a little bit of a relief bounce here on Block SQ. As we zoom this in, I want to show you guys previous resistance for one whole week right here, and then you had a gap up. That leaves an unfilled gap, and you've had this recent pullback to start off. I'm looking for a pullback right into this zone. Okay, pullback right into this zone, close this gap. And then here is a golden cross. So there's the 50-day moving average. That's the dark blue line. You see how it just crossed above the yellow line? That's the 200-day moving average. That, my friends, is what is known as a golden cross. That's a bullish indicator. So if you drop on Block, if Block drops right into this area, okay, then here comes this the 50-day moving average. I'm looking for then a bounce on Block off of that level. Okay, we're looking at a bounce for Block off of that level. And then lastly, but not least, guys, I might try to short the banks this week. The banks have had crazy runs, and I might try to short them this week. I'm eyeing up Goldman Sachs. All right, I'm eyeing up Goldman Sachs. I'm looking for Goldman Sachs to do this. Okay, I'm looking for Goldman Sachs to literally do that. All right, that's what I'm looking for out of Goldman Sachs. Why? Well, you can see for the last 3 weeks, we've held resistance at this level, but that's not the significance of the level. Let's go back further. Look at that double top there from November. And then this is a gap fill. So you see this big gap down there in January of 2022. That gap was filled here in November of 2022, and you double topped right there. And now you're back into that zone. So we tried to get into this zone on Friday, and you see how you put in this tail right there. See that tail right there? So what I'm looking for is, let's see if we shy away from this level now and give you a little bit of a pullback. The financials have been very strong. Technology has been very weak to start off the year. Let's see if that changes this week. We'll see if we get a little bit of a shift and a little bit of a rotation after 1 week of profit taking in tech. Let's see if now you get a rollover and some dip buyers come in to try to buy some tech names. I'm back. I'm back. Have no fear. Have no fear. I am still here. Have no fear. I am still here. Okay. I am still here. I am still here. Okay. So that's Goldman Sachs. Okay. That's Goldman Sachs. Another one is JP Morgan. Look at this run that JP Morgan has had. And again, let's show the trade line. Let's see the trade line, right? See this, the light blue line. Look at that. Look at that support. Look at that. Doesn't get much better than that, right? But we're coming up to all-time highs. All-time highs are right there on JP Morgan. All right. And let's see if we pull back off of this level. All right. Let's see if we just pull back off that level. So I'm looking for topping signs. I'm looking for topping tails on these banks. Like I would like to see JP Morgan like tap 174 and then drop back under 173. I'll get short against 174. I'll look for the stock to get to 168. Okay. So let's just see if we can get little pullbacks on these banks after their huge runs. Okay. Let's just see if we can get some pullbacks on these banks. I like Goldman Sachs. Honestly, I think I like Goldman Sachs better than JP Morgan, just chart pattern wise, but we'll see. All right. I'm looking for topping signals on the banks. Okay. That's it, guys. There are kind of some trade ideas. Again, Amgen for the long. I really like Amgen for the long, and I'm looking at the banks for the short. I'd say those are my two top ideas I'm going to focus on starting this week. You got ISRG, you got Block, you got Meta. That kind of rounded out. But I'm really going to focus, I think, on Amgen and the banks as some of my top ideas to start out the week. Okay. I have covered my Affirm short position. In case you guys are going to follow me on that trade, I was short that all last week, and we took final profits off at $41.80 on Friday. I got short at $47.38 on Tuesday, and we covered that position on Friday at $41.80. So if you guys are on the YouTube channel and you've been following my position, I want to just make sure that you guys are fully aware. If you missed my video on Friday, I let you guys know I'm completely out of that position. So we did cover that trade. Okay. We did cover that trade. All right. And that was a beautiful trade for us on Affirm. But I'm out of that position. All right. So that's it. I'm going to try to short those banks, guys. I'm going to try to short the banks. Okay? That's it. Thanks for tuning in tonight, folks. I hope you guys enjoyed the live. Listen, if you're not interested in the membership at all, sign off. I'm done with the educational stuff. If you are interested, I'll show you the platform. I'll show you you guys exactly what you're going to get as a member at your trading group. Congratulations to Barry Cynthia on the $5,000. Congratulations to James on the $10,000. Our holiday giveaway winners. Congratulations to you all. My members, thank you for tuning in with me tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, make sure you never miss out on this stuff. For those of you that are not members and are interested, let me show you the platform. Everything that you get with True Trading Group, it is on the checkout page, ttgoffer.com. Okay? Everything on that page you get when you guys join. You just have to enter the coupon code TTG121, click apply code. The price will then drop down to $850. Check out, you're good to go. There's 12 spots, 11, I'm sorry. There's 11 spots left. Okay, there are 11 spots left. That's it. 11 spots left. Okay, 11 spots left. You have any questions, text us, 1-888-306-8783. Now, let me show you the platform, okay? Because when you join, of course, you're going to get our chat room. Our chat room is where the mods and I share our screen. We're live on the mic. We're calling out trades, answering questions. We're with you the whole day. We're not just gone after an hour. You get to use the mobile app, get real-time push notifications when our mods enter and exit positions. You're going to get 2 private study group sessions with mods to speed up your learning curve. You're going to get Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed with congressional trading data to track trades by Congress. TradingView's premium charting software is included. The Trade Idea Scanner streams on our platform for you guys to use. You're going to get a simulator to let you practice trading with fake money but real-time data. You're going to get our own proprietary scanner that lets you create custom scans. You're going to get dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow, short data, all included for the $850. Some of you may pay for this stuff already. You don't have to anymore. You're going to get a journal that tracks your trading for you. You're going to get a social sentiment scanner that tells you what's being talked about most on social media. We have to welcome Richard and Edward. Welcome, Richard and Edward. We are now down to 9 of those spots. Hurry up. Open a web browser, ttgoffer.com. Use the code TTG121. Click apply code. Price drops to $850. Check out. 9 spots left for the 61% discount. 9 spots left. Again, guys, just text us with any question you have. I'm being dead serious. We're an open book. We're fully transparent. Anything you want to know, 1-888-306-8783. Text that number at the bottom of your screen. Now, you have a double your money back guarantee. Don't forget that. I don't think you need it. We've only had to give a refund to less than 2.5% of our users, but it's there for peace of mind. There for peace of mind. All right. You get all of our AI trading tools when you join. You get analyst ratings on any company you're interested in. You get a watch list every day from the mods and I covering exactly what stocks we're focused on with entry and exit points. You get all the courses, simplified version of the training I received working at the fund, beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, you name it, we've got it. You got a video library with 1,000 hours of workshops covering different topics, and then you guys can start attending these workshops live when you become full-time members. Listen, I can't guarantee you're going to be successful just by joining True Trading Group, but what I can guarantee is if you do join, you go through the courses, you pass the quizzes, you attend the study group, and are unable to make enough winning trades to equal the $850 membership fee that you have paid. If you can't do that at least one time, we will give you back $1,700. That is double what you are paying. Why? Because I know I talk a big game on this stream. I want to prove to you how much I believe in this platform, and I do that by backing up my claims with my own money. I stand behind this platform that we have created. I believe in its ability to help you guys find your goals, reach your goals. So if you join for $850, all I ask is you go through the courses, pass the quizzes, attend the study group, and actually use the platform. If you can't make enough trades to equal the $850 membership fee at least one time, we'll give you back $1,700. Our refund rate's less than 2.5%, and our retention rate is 78%. We're 5-star rated. We're 5-star rated, guys. Someone says ISRG losing market share due to weight loss drugs. ISRG doesn't make drugs. ISRG is the creator of the Da Vinci robotic surgery system. So ISRG is a medical device company. They're not a drug company. ISRG does not make drugs. They make medical devices and robotic arms for minimally invasive surgeries. and they've performed over 12 million surgeries so far. They are one of the leaders when it comes to robotic arms and robotic surgeries. They had a big drop off during COVID, because during COVID, a lot of those surgeries elective surgeries didn't happen during COVID, right? A lot of surgeries didn't happen during COVID, but now that COVID is done with, you're having a lot of people come now are electing to have those elective surgeries. But the reason why I like ISRG for like the next several years is because the surgeries that those robotic arms are really used for, and they've already done over 12 million surgeries. You have an aging population, and you have like that baby boomer wave of people is getting older. And that older demographic of people is predominantly the people that have the type of surgeries that the Da Vinci robotic system is used for. So I think you're going to see us like a real big pickup in demand for this robotic system. That's why I like ISRG. But ISRG, do not confuse ISRG with like Eli Lilly, Amgen, Regeneron, like Gilead, Pfizer. Like these are companies that make drugs. ISRG does not make drugs. All right. Where was I? Yeah, guys, that's it. Go to ttgoffer.com. Okay. Oh, okay. So someone says oh, that's what you're talking about. Okay. They're saying that some of their robotic system used for weight loss surgeries. That's what you're talking about. You're not talking about like drugs, like weight loss. I thought you were talking about weight loss drugs. So I see somebody else commenting motocross. Yeah. I don't know. I like ISRG. I don't think that the weight loss drugs are going to, because those surgeries are, I have a hole in my shirt. Those surgeries are something that, I don't know. I look at it like the company saw a bit of a hit during the coming out of COVID. And now I think that those elective surgeries are coming back. And I think that company is going to do pretty well. I think that company is going to make a new all-time high in the next couple of years. So I still like ISRG. I own ISRG already. So, and I plan on holding on to it. It's a nice looking chart too, if you ask me. And if the stock drops, where would I buy more? I'd probably buy more anywhere between 220 and 250. Anywhere in this region is probably where I would buy more. But right now, I own the stock and I'm just sitting on it. I own the stock. I'm just sitting on it. All right. But I'm looking for the next couple of years. I'm looking for a new all-time high. Okay. So that's it, guys. Again, text us if you guys have any questions. That is 1-888-306-8783, 1-888-306-8783. Oh, also, since we're talking about weight loss, before I let you guys go, Amgen, which is a company that I really like. I told you guys this. I put this in my 2023 outlook report, and I still think it does well going forward. Amgen is actually working on their own weight loss drug that would be a once a month shot. Okay. Eli Lilly's drug is once a week. Okay. So that's something to keep an eye on as well. Someone says, do you like this over Medtronic or Stryker? I actually love Stryker. Stryker was another stock that I mentioned. I already am long Stryker. Stryker is also sitting right near all-time highs. We'll see if we can get a breakout on Stryker, but I do also like Stryker. Stryker is a little bit different when it comes to medical devices. Stryker is a little bit different than ISRG as far as what type of devices they make. Medtronic, MDT, I do like ISRG better than Medtronic. Not to say that I don't like Medtronic, but I like ISRG a little bit better. What I would say about Medtronic is that there's an absolute brick wall of support between $60 and $70. And if you see Medtronic anywhere back near that level, I think it's probably a good place to start nibbling. But when you want to take a look, at these stocks, right? You take a look at Medtronic. Look at what happened to Medtronic in 22, right? And then look at what happened here in 23. And now look where we are. Compare that to ISRG. I mean, look at the year ISRG had, right? Like look at the chart look at the recovery in ISRG, because ISRG got hit in 2022 also, which everything got hit in 2022. But look at the recovery that ISRG has made compared to Medtronic, right? So that's why I like ISRG better, and I just really like the Da Vinci system. Every medical professional or every surgeon and that you talk to that has ever used the Da Vinci system has nothing but phenomenal things to say about it. And I think with an aging population, that aging demographic of like that baby boomer aging wave, that's the demographic that typically has the type of surgeries that Da Vinci system is most used for. So is there a speed bump there with the weight loss? It's not their main business. Yeah, sure. Could it affect that part of their business? I guess, but I like the other angle. I like the other angles. I don't look at ISRG as like a weight loss play, which is actually part of the reasons why I like it, because I don't really like that whole weight loss craze is getting kind of crazy. I think it's going to continue in 2024. But I don't know. You got to see what happens. Once you start to get, you might have more side effects from this down the road. And then if you start to get side effects from taking these drugs down the road or mixing these drugs with other drugs, if there's any side effects from this that people don't like, or that would start to come out after like millions of people start using this stuff, these stocks are all going to take a huge hit. I don't know if that's going to happen. I have no idea, but it is a risk that's out there that you got to pay attention to when you have such a huge craze about something. You've seen this before, right? When there's a craze about anything, when there's a craze about AI, when there's a craze about crypto, when there's a craze about cannabis stocks, when there's a craze about whatever, whenever there's a craze about anything, they always get stretched too far, and then the bubble pops and you get the profit take pullback. So I don't necessarily want to be in something that's just rallying based off of just weight loss drugs. I want something that has meat on the bone, no pun intended, meat on the bone though in other areas, right? So I don't want something that's just reliant on that. I'd rather have a company, especially when it comes to healthcare, diversity, in my opinion, in healthcare is key. There is no greater diversified sector other than healthcare. When you look, technology too, the technology and healthcare, like there's so many different types of healthcare companies. So I like diversity when it comes to healthcare. That's why I like the companies that I like. So we'll see. Okay. We'll see. All right, guys, I got to go. It's super late. I hope you guys enjoyed the live. Always a pleasure. Always a great time. I hope you guys had fun. Congratulations again to our holiday giveaway winners. I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. Don't miss these lives. If you have not yet done so, make sure you send us a text message if you guys have any questions. 1-888-306-8783. And then otherwise go to ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. Click apply code. Price drops $8.50. There's 9 spots left. I'll see you guys all tomorrow.